Hello everyone, this is Manishka and you are watching Manishka's Art and Craft World. So welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with this beautiful envelope which I have made on marriage theme, which you can give any bride and groom. So this is the closer. It will open up like that. Here you can add money, and here is this pop-up, and here also you can add money. Like here you can add money, or if you want to add some sentiments, or if you want to add some letter or any messages, so you can add here. So in today's tutorial you will be learning this beautiful envelope. Hope you will be liking it. So let's get started. So before going further, make sure you have subscribed our channel if you haven't done it yet. So for making our today's project, we need to have all these things: black cardstock, some pattern papers. Here I'm using Dress My Craft Be Mine paper pad collection, and some die cutouts, glue, scissors and ruler. So let's start. So before going further, make sure you have subscribed to our channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon. So let's move to our tutorial. So in starting, here I am taking my multi-purpose scoring board and this black cardstock which measures 10 by 6.4 inches. So if you don't have scoring board, you can use your ruler and ball tool for making creases on your cardstock. So first you have to score on 3 inches and make a crease using your bone folder, and then you have to score on 3.5 inches, and then you have to score on 4 inches, and then you have to score on 7 inches. You have to make creases. As you can see, the creases. Now we have to fold it. First we have to fold it like that. Then you have to fold it like that. Then you have to fold it like that. And last, you have to make like that, and then like this. So we are going to make a pop-up here. So we have made this strip like this. So we have to glue here, and then we have to paste this strip in this manner. Now we have to apply glue at here, and then we have to paste it like that. As our envelope base is done, so now we have to cut some pattern papers as per our envelope size. So our envelope measures 3 by 6.1/4 inches. So we have to cut some pattern papers which measures, like here I have already cut some pattern papers. So all these paper measures 238 by 6 inches. So now we have to paste our pattern papers on our envelope like that. Like that. As we have added all the pattern papers on our envelope, now I am going to add this strip, these both strips. One is here and one is here, for making pockets in our envelope. These strips measures 1 inch by 6.1/4 inches. Now I am going to decorate this. For that, here I am using this doily. Here I have already added some foam tape on the back side of this. Now I'm going to add it like that. Now here I am taking this couple die cut and adding little glue. So now here I am adding this sentiment. I fell in love with you. As I have forgotten to make closure of our envelope, so here I am adding, like here I am opening this strip like that and going to add this satin twine for making our closure. So here I am adding little glue on this twine like that. I'm going to put it in the center here like that. As I have pasted this twine like that, now I'm going to make closure here like that. So for that, here I'm taking this motif of flower and taking this brad and putting this inside in center like that. You have to leave little space like that, and then you have to fold both the sides of this eyelid like that. You can use your tool or you can use your nails for that also. So you have to make it like that. Now you have to paste it here as per your thread, so that your thread will be able to tie like that. So you have to paste it here like that, like this. So here I'm adding little glue. Like this. Let it dry for some time. Now I'm going to decorate it little bit using this die cut of a couple. So I'm going to paste it here in center. So now we have done with our decoration, and now here we have made two pockets in which you can add money like this, or you can add money in this side also, or if you want to add some tags, then you can add also this like this. Here also you can add money like that and some tags like that. So for today our project has been completed. So it is closer like that. Hope you liked our today's tutorial. If you're liking our videos, then do subscribe our channel if you haven't done it yet, and give it a like. So thanks for watching Manishka's Art and Craft World. Keep watching. Thanks for watching.